Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel Meal Factory by Khushi. Today recipe is Tandoori Smoky Chicken Masala. These are the ingredients: fresh cream, cashew nut, salt, onion, chicken, tomato, curd, garam masala, dhania powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon, turmeric, red chili powder, pepper, cinnamon, bay leaf and cardamom. First we need to marinate the chicken. I am adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt, tandoori chicken masala and curd. Mix it well and let it rest for 1 hour. Now take a pan and put some oil. Once oil is hot, you can put the onions. Fry the onion till it becomes golden brown. You can see onion turns nice golden brown in color, so we can take it out. Keep the onion on tissue paper so it will absorb the excess oil. Let it cool down. Once onion is chill, take half the onion and put in the mixie jar and grind it, make it paste. Please note, I am using half onion only now. We can add this onion in the marinated chicken and mix it well. Now take the mixie jar and put all the onions. Tomatoes, and make it fine paste. Onion and tomato paste is ready. After 1 hour, chicken got nicely marinated and chicken absorbed all the masala flavors. Now we can add the lemon juice and mix it well. Take a kadai and put some oil. Once oil is nicely hot, put the chicken pieces one by one and fry it nicely. We need to fry the chicken till it becomes golden brown. We can close the lid and wait for 15 minutes. Till our chicken is getting fried, we can prepare the gravy. For gravy, take a pan, put some oil and put the bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom. Now we can add the onion tomato paste, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, red chili powder. We need to put the masala accordingly as we added the masala in chicken as well. Now I added the turmeric. Mix it well. We need to fry the masala till the raw smell goes off. Add salt as per taste. we can close the lid and wait for the masala to get nicely fried. In the meantime, we can make the paste of soaked cashew nut. Keep it aside. Let's check the chicken. Mix it well and let it fry for another 15 to 20 minutes. Let's check the gravy masala. It's nicely fried. Mix it well. Close the lid and wait for few more minutes. Let's check the masala now. Wow, it's nicely fried. You can see oil got separate from the masala. Now let's check the chicken. Chicken is also got nicely fried. You can see. Now we can add the gravy masala in the chicken and mix it well. Now I am adding the pepper powder, garam masala and mix it well. Now we can add the cashew nut paste and 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook till the gravy become nicely thick. After 5 to 10 minutes, let's check the gravy. It's become nicely thick and oil got separate. Now I am adding 2 spoons of fresh cream. And mix it well. Gravy is ready. We can keep it aside. To give the smoky flavor, take 1 charcoal piece and put it on the gas. Let it burn. It's done. We can keep it in one plate like this. Now take the gravy and place the plate like this and put some ghee. After pouring the ghee, close the lid immediately so smoke will not come out. After 5 minutes, we can open the lid and remove the plate. At last, we can garnish it with coriander leaves. Our tandoori smoky chicken gravy is ready to serve. It tastes best with roti, naan and rice. Thanks for watching this video. Please try this at your home and let us know your review. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe our channel and do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you again with some wonderful recipes. Until then, take care guys. Bye from Khushi. Eat healthy, stay happy.